Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to add payment method to Roblox. So here are the steps to add a payment method to your Roblox account. The first step is to log in into your Roblox account on the Roblox website. The following step is to click on the gear icon in the top right corner and select settings. The third step is in the settings menu, click on the blink tab. The fourth step, under the payment method section, click on the add payment method button. The next step is you will be presented with the available payment options, which may include credit card, debit card, PayPal, Roblox gift card, other local payment methods depending on your region. The sixth step is to select the payment method you want to add and click continue. The seventh step is to provide the required information for the payment method you selected. For credit debit card, it should be your card number, expiration date and security code. For PayPal, just log in into your PayPal account. For Roblox gift card, just enter the gift card code. The second last step is to carefully review the information you have entered and agree to the Roblox terms of service and payment terms. The last step is to click save to add the payment method to your Roblox account. Once the payment method is added, you can use it to purchase Roblox experiences, Robux, the in-game currency, or make other payments within the Roblox platform. So this is how you do it, guys. If you found this video to be helpful, then thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.